Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 6th September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 17 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. How many educators have been awarded with the National Teachers Award 2024? Answer is 82 educators. As part of the Teachers' Day celebration 2024, President Draupadi Murmu has conferred the National Teachers Awards to educators from across the country. The ceremony was held at Vigyan Bhavan, where all 82 educators, including 50 teachers, were awarded the National Award. Each award carries a certificate of merit, a cash award of 50 rupees thousand, and a silver medal. Question number 2. Where has the second phase of exercise, Tarang Shakti 2024, started recently? Answer is Jodhpur. The second phase of India's largest multilateral air exercise, Exercise Tarang Shakti 2024, is being conducted at Air Force Station Jodhpur from 30th August to 13 September. Participating nations include Australia, Greece, Sri Lanka, the UAE, Japan, Singapore, and the United States. The first phase of exercise Tarang Shakti concluded in Tamil Nadu in August 2024 and involved the air forces of Germany, France, Spain, and the UK. Question number 3. Who was named as India's first ambassador of International Table Tennis Federation, ITTF Foundation? Answer is Sharat Kamal. Indian table tennis player Sharat Kamal Achanta has been officially named as the Foundation Ambassador of the International Table Tennis Federation, ITTF Foundation. With this, he becomes the first Indian to be named the ambassador of ITTF Foundation. The announcement was made during the 5th season of Ultimate Table Tennis being held in Chennai from 22nd August to 7th September 2024. Question number 4. Who has become the first Indian to win a Paralympic gold medal in archery? Answer is Harvinder Singh. Harvinder Singh won India's first ever Paralympic gold medal in archery at the Paris 2024 Paralympics on 4th September 2024. In the 2020 Tokyo Paralympics, he won a bronze medal in the men's individual recurve event. Born on 25 February 1991 in Haryana, Harvinder Singh has won several medals, including a gold medal at the 2018 Asian Para Games. Question number 5. Who has won the 61st National Chess Championship in 2024? Answer is Karthik Venkataraman. Grandmaster Karthik Venkataraman from Andhra Pradesh won the National Chess Championship 2024, the 61st edition of the annual National Chess Championship of India, held in Gurugram, Haryana. Grandmaster Ganguly Surya Shekhar finished second, while International Master Nilash Saha finished third. Karthik Venkataraman has become the Grandmaster at the age of 18 in 2018. Question number 6. Who has become the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel alone? Answer is Siddharth Agrawal. Siddhartha Agrawal, a 49-year-old swimmer from Bengaluru, has made history by becoming the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel. Agrawal successfully navigated the 42 kilometers stretch between England and France on 29 August, completing the grueling swim in an impressive 15 hours and 6 minutes. Question number 7. Which city's initiative named Lab Mitra was recently honored with the National E-Governance Gold Award? Answer is Varanasi. An initiative called Lab Mitra, launched last year in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's parliamentary constituency, Varanasi, was awarded the National E-Governance Gold Award at the National E-Governance Conference 2024 held in Mumbai on 3rd September. The award was given for district-level initiatives in administrative reforms and e-governance. The Lab Mitra facility is being provided at 20 hospitals, including all government hospitals in Varanasi, and more than 2.5 lakh patients have benefited from it till date. Question number 8. Which country's football player, Luis Suarez, announced his retirement from international? Answer is Uruguay. Uruguay striker Luis Suarez announced his international retirement on 2nd September. He is Uruguay's all-time top scorer with 69 goals in 142 appearances across an international career spanning 14 years. He has been nicknamed El Pistolero, in English, the gunman, in the major leagues. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as a selector for the men's cricket team by BCCI? Answer is Ajay Ratra. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, on 3rd September, named Ajay Ratra as the newest member of the men's selection committee. The selection panel is currently headed by Ajit Agarkar, who was appointed as the chief selector last year. Mr. Ajay Ratra will replace Mr. Salil Ankola in the committee. Ajay Ratra played 6 tests and 12 ODIs for India. Question number 10. President Draupadi Murmu has inaugurated Vishwa Shanti Buddha Vihar in which state? Answer is Maharashtra. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the Vishwashanti Buddha Vihar at Udgir in Maharashtra's Latur district on 4th September. The Buddha Vihar has a 520 kilograms statue of Lord Buddha, which is 10.5 feet tall. This Buddha Vihar has been built on 1.15 hectares of land and can accommodate 1,200 people. Question number 11. Where has the Virus War Exercise mock drill been organized recently? Answer is Ajmer. A comprehensive mock drill, Vishanu Yuddh Abhyas, also called Virus War Exercise, was conducted in Rajasthan's Ajmer district from 27 August to 31 August to assess pandemic preparedness. This exercise aimed to evaluate the readiness and response of the National Joint Outbreak Response Team, NJOT, composed of experts from human health, animal husbandry, and wildlife sectors. Question number 12. Which country announced the Trusted Tour Operator Scheme to promote tourism from India? Answer is South Africa. South Africa has announced a new Trusted Tour Operator Scheme, TTOS, with an initial focus on the tourist markets of India and China. The scheme is set to be implemented from January 2025. The aim of the scheme is to reform the visa system and is expected to increase jobs in the tourism sector. According to the government, Indian tourists account for only 3.9% of all international visitors to South Africa. Question number 13. Which bank recently launched the financial package GIGA for gig workers in India? Answer is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has introduced GIGA, a new suite of financial products and services specifically designed for gig workers and freelancers in India. The initiative aims to cater to an estimated 30 to 50 million gig workers across various job sectors, from white-collar to pink-collar roles. Gig workers can secure health insurance for themselves and their families with premiums starting at just 20 rupees per day. Question number 14. Rahul Dravid has become the head coach of which team in IPL? Answer is Rajasthan Royals. former Team India head coach Rahul Dravid is set to return to Rajasthan Royals as their head coach for the 2025 IPL season, following the end of his tenure as the Indian cricket team coach in June 2024, where he helped the Men in Blue win the 2024 T20 World Cup, their first ICC title since the 2013 Champions Trophy. Dravid has recently signed a deal with his former franchise Rajasthan Royals, for whom he was captain in IPL 2012 and 2013, and then was the team director and mentor for the 2014 and 2015 seasons. Question number 15. Which company launched Presvu, India's first eye drops for presbyopia? Answer is Entod Pharmaceuticals. Entod Pharmaceuticals has introduced Presvu, the first eye drops in India, designed to address presbyopia, a condition that affects the ability to focus on nearby objects, often requiring the use of reading glasses. The drops contain pilocarpine and provide relief within 15 minutes, lasting up to 6 hours. This product represents a significant advancement in ophthalmic care, offering an alternative to reading glasses. Question number 16. Which airline launched the AI-powered app feature, AEY Vision? Answer is Air India. Air India has introduced AEY Vision, an innovative AI-powered feature available on its mobile app. This tool enhances the travel experience by utilizing image recognition technology to provide real-time updates on flight details, luggage status, and meal options. By allowing users to scan documents or images with their phone cameras, the app streamlines the process of retrieving travel information, making it more efficient and user-friendly. Question number 17. Who has received the CSR Times Award 2024 for its Hunger-Free World project? Answer is Malabar Group. Malabar Group, one of the world's largest jewelry conglomerates, has been honored with the prestigious CSR Times Award 2024 for its transformative Hunger-Free World project. The award ceremony, organized in collaboration with the Government of Goa, featured Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant as the chief guest. Currently, the Hunger-Free World project distributes 41,000 food packets daily across 69 cities in 16 Indian states. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.